Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Open your English book and open page number 28. In last video, we have done SL blend. SL slow. Can you tell me again what is blend? Blend is when you take two or more consonants, then it will create a blend. Again I am repeating, when we add two or more than two alphabets, only consonant alphabets, then it creates blend. So let's start. Next blend, ST blend. It's on page number 28. ST, stir. S is consonant and T is consonant. So, what's the phonic sound of S? S, T, T. S, T, stir. So, look at the first picture. What is this? This is star. Speak with me. Star. It's star. Right here, S, T, A, R, star. Star. S, T is blend. S, T is blend. So take next picture. It's stone. Stone. S, T, O, N, E, stone. So which is blend in this spelling? ST. ST is consonant blend. ST is consonant blend. Speak with me. Stone. Stone. Repeat again. Stone. Now take next picture. Study. Speak with me. Study. S, T, U, D, Y. Study. When you speak study, see in the beginning, ST blend is there, na? So, study. In study, ST is consonant blend. Now, next picture is post. What is this? Post. P, O, S, T, post. Post. Now in this spelling, see, ST is in the end. It's not compulsory that consonant blend will be at the beginning. It will also come in end. See here, ST blends are at the beginning, and in this spelling, in post, ST blend is in the end. So next one is fist. Fist. F-I-S-T. Fist. Fist. Here ST blend comes in end. Speak fist. Where ST sound comes? ST sound come in the end. So we will write ST blend in the end. Next one is pest. See this picture? Pest. Right here. P-E-S-T. Pest. Here ST blend is also in the end. Na? So you will see that consonant blends also we will write it in begins, and also we will write it in end. So students, you will read this spell again and again. After that, you will look at this page, page number 29. Here is one exercise for you of SL and ST blend. So look at the first picture. This picture is of slipper. Which picture is this? Slipper. So when you speak slippers, which sound comes? Slur or stir? It's slur. So you will write here SL. SL. Slippers. Next one is slate. When you speak slate, which sounds come? ST or SL? It's slow. SL. So you will write here SL. Slow. Slate. Next one is sleep. When you speak sleep, which sounds come? Slow. Sleep. SL. Slow. So you will write here slow. Next one is fist. Speak with me. Fist. Here which sounds come? Stir. Stir sound comes in the end. So you will write here ST. Stir. Next one is stone. What is this? Stone. So you will write here ST. Stir. Stir. Stone. Last one is star. Which picture is this? Star. So which sounds is coming? Stir. Stir. Star. So students, you have to revise these two pages, SL or ST. Then you will do this exercise. Thank you students. Have a nice day.